Okay, I'm making this video in my bed at almost 4 a.m. in the morning because I got off the phone with Samantha Ellison, started watching the Alex Jones Nightly News, and I found something I wanted to show her. I tried to get the video to work on YouTube, uploading it, but it wouldn't because it was too long. Let me make sure you can see and hear this. Okay. This is at 33 minutes and 23 seconds.
Hey there, welcome to Planet Infowars Patriots. I'm Christy Hightower, reporting for PlanetInfowars.com. Just a little update on what's going on the site. I just want to bring to your attention, Alex always says, Planet Infowars is for people like you to go and find fellow patriots who are passionate, who, want to go camping, others that, dating and all kinds of good stuff like that. Well, he's also said that articles are looked at, and if they're well-written, well-cited, timely, all of the above, that we will put them on the featured stories on Infowars.com. Well, this week has been no exception. In fact, there's an article called The Conspiracy of an Empire, a letter to those that serve the system, by Planet Infowars user Sean Helton. And within hours of us finding it, we put it on Infowars.com, main featured stories. So I just want to remind you that we are looking, we are paying attention, so keep those awesome articles coming. Thank you, Sean, and your partner Nemo for writing that for us. Also, Alex is also saying, PlanetInfowars.com is a good place for dating. Now, the internet can be a little tricky, to find somebody you want to talk to and be friends with and stuff. But lucky for you guys, Hervik07 and Lady Liberty, well, I guess not lucky for everyone, but lucky for these two. They found each other on PlanetInfowars.com a couple weeks ago, and they just want to let us know that they're doing well. So I wanted to ask you two, Hervik07 and Lady Liberty, if it all works out, which one of you is going to be moving? Because one of you lives in Texas and the other one in Virginia, so I can't imagine the commuting is all that easy. Well, congratulations. And then lastly, we have a commission every week on the mixed group.
I just wanted to share that with you, Lady Liberty, Samantha Ellison, and everybody else too. I thought that was pretty cool. Thanks, Alex.
Here for a Planet Infowars update. I know it's been a little while. I apologize. We have moved studios, we've expanded. There's been a little bit of a shift going on. So I just want to make this real quick. We've had several contests actually, starting with the Bob Costas, thinking that he is, end all to end all, saying that the Second Amendment should be restricted. Well, the mission, actually, that I want to talk to you about is a Planet Infowars mission in the resistance group. And guns causing crimes is like spoons causing you to get fat. So the mission is for everyone to send a letter to Bob Costas and send him a spoon. And the contest actually is videotaping yourself writing a letter. Now, obviously, there's a little humor in here, so I hope to laugh. I expect to laugh at some of these. And send him a spoon, because we just want him to have piles of spoons. How ridiculous his comments on the Second Amendment were. So go take that and make me laugh. And then the next, actually, that I wanted to talk to you about is in the InfoWar video reports. And this we had here in Austin, Texas, the drone mob, where we use the hashtag on Twitter, drone mob. And basically, if you were there and you filmed, we want you to go and edit your video. It doesn't even have to be that long, but whoever has the best drone mob video is going to win $1,000. So both of these are video contests. Both of these are just you getting active. I I apologize if you couldn't make it to Austin, but hopefully we'll be getting to do more cool events like this in the future. And also there's actually on Infowars.com, there's more about the drone mob contest, and exactly the deadline is the 21st, and I want to say it's at midnight. So go check out those details and get those awesome videos in, because people need to know what we're up against. The drones are not a joke. This isn't going away. This is an awareness campaign, so keep that in mind as well. And lastly, on a little lighter note, this has kind of been an ongoing romance. I've actually mentioned these two before. Herbic07 and Lady Liberty are both Planet Infowars users, and they sent me their picture. They actually have visited each other several times now, and I want to say probably 6 months or so. And they actually met in the Freedom Lovers group there on Planet Infowars. So it can happen to you, and since we're all moving into the holidays and it's, it's cold, you want somebody to cozy up with, especially people that, understand and believe and are aware like you are. So go check that out. It's not a dud, I promise. You can find love in this patriot world. So thank you again, Planet Infowars users, for all you're doing. Hopefully we'll get an Ask Alex segment here soon. Keep up the great work, and keep talking, because we're listening. Here with a quick Planet Infowars update. Good to see you all, Patriots, again. You're still talking on the site, and we're still listening. And I just wanted to give you a quick little intro, I guess. There's a letter to peers. Obviously, as you've all known, it's all across the media. Everyone's talking about Alex's v. Pierce. Somebody wrote a letter to peers, and it goes something like, "I was glad to see you maintain the famous Brit civility. That was refreshing." Now, before everybody overreacts, he goes on to say, "Fact remains, the dictatorship that is being imposed is by no means civil. When countries are taken over by dictators, good people die." So go and finish reading that. I found it really interesting, because when I first started reading it, that first sentence kind of made me mad. I think Piers is British. He ran away from some bad stuff, so he really shouldn't even be here, in my opinion. But then he goes on to just explain, like, "Hey, Piers, you're taking it on one side." So go and read it. Leave your comments below, and I'll look forward to reading those. And the next two things I just wanted to give you an update about, we have two different missions. Now, all of the groups on the site, I'm sure, have their own missions, but we have one for the Dating Freedom Lovers with February 14th coming up. Obviously, we want to make sure you guys find love, or maybe have the option at least. So these two people, Eric and Samantha, are doing really well. I've been in touch with them. And what we're going to start doing is, if you send us your picture and a quick little bio, now obviously nothing too vulgar, like, come on, keep it decent, but if you send us your picture and a little bio, we're going to feature you in that top section where you just saw their picture. And if we get enough of them, we'll trade them out like every day, or even every hour if we have that many. So just send them on in, and we'll post those up. That's one mission. You can find that in the Dating Freedom Lovers group. And the second mission I actually am super excited about, because as you know, we have the Infowars magazine, and we have just been able to get them onto onto Planet Infowars, and they have their own group. It's called Infowars Art, and you just type that in the search bar. And the mission is actually a Twitter chat session. So that's going to take place Thursday, January 10th, that'll be tomorrow, from 2 to 3 p.m. Central Time. And all you have to do to participate, just get on Twitter and use the hashtag, which is the # IWChats, plural. And just add that to whatever you're saying. We're going to be discussing this month's magazine, the January issue of 2013, the year America dies. So get on there and talk about the things that disturb you the most. For me personally, it's the NDAA, indefinite detention of American citizens, anyone that they associate with terrorists, and they haven't even said exactly what a terrorist is. They just kind of leave it vague. So get on there, talk to us. We'll be on there for an hour. It's actually going to be the graphics team. And we're really fortunate, our featured artist, Anthony Frida, is actually going to join us in that chat session from his Twitter stream. So if you have questions about any of his art or how he got to do it, get on there, ask. So we have to see you guys again. Patriots, y'all are talking, and again, we're listening. Thank you for all you're doing.